In this video, we'll go over how you can modify a student's grade after it's already been finalized in your gradebook. This is the same process whether you had graded the student work yourself or if CodeHS gave a passing grade automatically upon student submission. So first, we'll visit our gradebook. Then we'll visit the exercise that we want to modify. So I want to modify Charlotte's tennis square. There we go. Okay, so when you click on Charlotte's grade, it will bring up the code editor for her for this exercise. So in order to change it, you'll just visit the grade tab here. And then you can see this was finalized 4 out of 4. Let's say I want to change this and say, I'm going to give her partial credit. Let's give her 3 out of 4. I can also provide her some feedback like, I'd like you to provide more comments on your code, and then submit grade. Okay, now you can see in the grading history that this has been changed to 3 out of 4 along with the feedback. If we go back to our gradebook and hit refresh, we should see that number change. Great, it did. So now she has a 3 out of 4 on this particular assignment. Charlotte will also see this on her end when she visits her gradebook. And that's it.